Nah, it's not good. Wait, I can just do for this one. I can just do this. So for I in grid, for j in I, j in I, print f, display the value slash character. So yeah, so this j here, and then n is equal to this, and no, so we did insert this, and we don't even need this, so we did dash dash and then print it here. So create a function to create a function to for j in range of calls, append relate the list with dashes. For populate for so in a list that append so x, and then append the add the inner list to the outer list that append inner list. So that is it. So our main function def main, then try, so exception handling, try pass if the user does not enter in integer values, except value error as e, printf and error is e, and then printf printer. So please enter integer value for generation. So here we have this, and then run the main function if underscore name is equal to underscore main main. Okay, So this is just a test. So wait a second, this here will need to return a list, and then for the moment it is not returning anything, so return the list to the main program, return out the list. So now we are GG, and then this is going to say grid is equal to, so pet3 underscore dish is equal to empty. No, petri dish is equal to what is petri dish is equal to create list. That's it. And then so display list of petri dish python main.py python main.py. Yes, so that is good. And then display general list, general underscore list, and then CIW, so display general list, and then print times, so times 50 seems nice, print undo. That is it. Then what I'm gonna do is go up and then do so def display underscore specific part. Wait a minute, I'm getting a call. So sorry for that. Yes. Fucking hell, bro. Now I am fucking lost. So what? Matrix is not defined. Oh shit. Non-G of list. Oh fucking god, I'm getting fucked up everywhere. Mm. Do, and then now the main part, the main thing that I'm fucking not getting things. So create a fraction check surroundings, and then manipulate the area. Def check underscore money score bacteria. So grid of list, and then target of list, and then so asks the user to enter number of generations, user underscore gens is equal to int input, and please enter number of generations. Okay, and then gcc call the function to create our initial grid. Call the function to create a list that will hold final So updated underscore battery underscore dish is equal to create underscore list, and then so wait, before we check, so we need to actually create the populate list. So want to create a function that will populate the list with bacteria. Shift N, no, bacteria. So def populate underscore grid. So grid of matrix, grid of list, and then import the choice function from random module. So from random import choice, and then create a list that contains a bacteria and a non underscore bacteria. So and then I can say chance. So chance is equal to this, and then this. Oh, by the way, I asked ChatGPT and I'm trying to do it again, and I'm trying to understand it by myself. Okay, so yeah. So I'm not looking. There's nothing. There's only 1, 2, 3, and 10, which is the obsidian, which is my OBS, and this is obsidian, which is obviously good. There's no. I don't have any other display or anything like that. So if I do something like, wait, if I do some ls PCI, I have only one what is it, VGA compatible controller. I have only one. Like, yeah, that's it. I'm not faking anything, you know. I mean, I'm learning. I can look at things, but I'm not, you know. So populate the battery dish slash list. So for I in range of 1 to 16, required part of the list 1 to 16 for j in range of 1 to 16. So create select bacteria slash non dash bacteria randomly. So random chance, random selection, random underscore selection is equal to what? So chance, no, choice of chance, no, wait, random for a non-active sequence. So choice of chance, and then append change the index at I and j to be change the index. So a grid of I and then j, obviously j is equal to random and random underscore selection. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna populate the array, call the function to populate the battery dish. So populate grid of battery dish. So battery dish. As you can see, we have a background thing. So clear exit. So this is good. Now the surrounding control R, the surrounding part. Let's do this. Let's kind of do this. Oh, wait a second. fuck this. Yeah, yeah, so this guy. What do we need to do? We need to iterate the whole array. Iterate through the whole list. So for I in range of len of grid of so for j in range of len of grid of 0. So isolate the 3 by 3 list grid slash list. So for I in small underscore I in range of so you gotta be start from a small number to a big number. So small number I minus 1 to I plus 2 is 2, and then similar for this. So we get j, and then here becomes j, and then here becomes j. So now we got this, and then we got it. Now do not include slash use the index. So you don't use or slash include the small I and small j. Oh, is it I and j? It's going to be small I and small j, because we have this. If not, small I is equal to 1 and small j is equal to 1. Check if the if the cell in at this point in time, check if cell contains bacteria. So if grid of small I and small j is equal to bacteria, so initialize a bacteria count, undo, create and initialize a bacteria count. What is this? So yeah, and then this increment the bacteria count. So undo, control R, dd, undo dd, and then 10j, go back to here, bacteria underscore count is equal to 0. So yeah, and then 8j, increment the bacteria count plus equal to 1, and then what do we say? So conditions slash rules for living slash dying. So if the grid of I and then j is equal to a thing, a bacteria, then conditions to die. So if a bacteria count less than 2 or bacteria count greater than 2, we have grid of I and j, which becomes, it's gonna die. So dies this, else keeps on living. So this is what I did not understand when yesterday, when my head was fucked up. I couldn't understand, but now I understand it. So basically we need to add at this line below, else it will stay x keeps on living, grid of so grid of this goes here, and then we can just say like elif grid of I and then j is equal to a fucking thing if bacteria count conditions to live slash get created bacteria underscore count is equal to 3, then we can say become alive. So become become alive, my dear. So grid of, so we can just say oh shit, keeps on living, grid of this, else keeps on being shit and does not live. So and then we can just say, so for example this, and then we can just say this we also need to add here, control X space this, and then that's it, I guess. It's not gonna be grid, it's gonna be target. Shit. Target. Oh shit. I know there's a plugin that allows me to do that, but I don't remember and I don't know how to use it, so I need to learn. But if I have this target, everything is target, yes. Undo target. So target, not the supermarket, our main function. Oh, so and then our main function specific part of the dish, then display specific part of the petri dish. Okay, okay, now undo. So tip, so I don't remember. Why MCA. So what do we say? Displaying the results. So print \n, so \n initial petri dish and then we say display. Where is the display specific list? Display underscore specific. What of spot. But why does my auto completion not work? Spot. You're telling me that this does not exist. Nice. Display. Did I write display? Yes. So now it should be going petri dish, and then we say print and then we say print and then 5, no, so dash and then times 50, and then we say print again. Then we say this call the function. So wait, display initial petri dish, space create initial petri dish, call the function to populate the petri dish. So then we can say something like and after population, undo, after population, yeah, call a function to create for the final, call the function check, call the function to check and manipulate the bacteria. So check underscore manipulate bacteria petri dish, and then update it to petri dish, and then we're gonna say initial 6j, yank this, and then undo, paste this over here, initial up, so 1 2 updated petri dish, and then 9k, so insert updated petri dish, and then we can say something like we can say something like check manipulate, so initial updated so that, and then we can say something like updated, so updated petri dish. And I think we can go python main.py. The list is out of range. Obviously it's going to be out of range if it's small of I, if it is not a small underscore I. And v main.py 74 what, this is not 74, where is it? I python main.py, what the fuck? Line 140, line 74, I don't know. And v main.py, I did not get 0, what the fuck am I getting? 170, no, 74, no, 74. Okay, now I need to look at the other one. So a main.py is test.py. So wait a second. The fuck's the difference? Oh, it's from 1. It's not iterating this to the whole grid. Oh shit, it's not iterating this to the whole grid. Oh fuck, I forgot. It's iterating from the whole, iterate to the bacteria part of the list. Okay, then you have 1 over here, and then you're gonna have the length of a grid. Okay, so it's the length of a grid is gonna be 1, yeah, and then here also -1, and then we have 1 here, because we're not actually starting from the wait, python main.py, we're not actually starting from here. Oh shit, nothing happened. What the fuck? What's the fuck? The fuck is the error? Where the fuck is the error? Python, so nv main.py. The fuck? Why did it not change the ing? Species. Why are you not working today? I don't know. We stay silent, we don't say anything. Nothing ever. Fucking hell, bro. Still nothing. Oh, but did I call the function? That is what I'm trying to think right. I did call the function. But why are you not working? So I fixed this error. Yes, it should be good right now. And then if the target of I and J, so target of I and J, so 4, okay, so 4 shift up. I and J, it's good. I know it's good. I know it's good. I don't know where's the fucking fault though. Else, okay, so but elif should work. Oh no, I think I know why elif won't work. Just give me a second. Let me try to see if actually if my reasoning is right. Else, so else, save this, python main.py. See, so basically I'm a fool. I'm gonna go through it slowly for me to understand. I think first of all, for me to understand, basically you have this. So you're saying right now that where's paint? Give me paint. I'm gonna be using my mouse, by the way. So you have all of this, right? You have all of this. Then you're saying like, okay, at this point in time, take a part of this, so it becomes like 3 by 3. Not really. This goes in the center. Okay, you get the point. So at this point in time, take the array here, make it a 3 by 3. Because, oh, remember, we have x on top. We have, so control R. No, how do you fucking, so we have, put this at target T, and here we have x, and x. But this we can have dashes, here we can have this. So basically, take this, and then like, this is the target, and then calculate everything here. Okay la. Calculate everything here. Now what we can do next is going to say something like, oh, okay, don't include yourself. Now when you're isolating that grid from the whole entirety of this, you're telling the program, okay, but you're gonna have a small I and j, which will go iterate from I minus 1, because I becomes 0, you know what I'm saying, from that point. So whatever I is here, 1 1, I think, I don't know, but whatever one, I understand it. Then you're going to have this from I minus 1 to I plus 1 to here, from j minus 1 to j minus 2, so plus 2. That's it, so plus 2. You see that? So it will iterate from here to here diagonally, you know, here, you know what I'm saying. Now the thing is, we said that we should not include this. So how do we not include this? We have the initial I and j here. This is put the xi, okay, xi for small. So in this case, if because our I and j changes, our xi and xj changes, because we're changing the values of here, so it won't know, because xj and xi are separate from I and j. I and j holds a true value for the middle of that thing. Hence we do if not is xj xi, so xi is equal to I. Why I? Because again, as I said, it knows the actual target here. This is because we are manipulating xi. It doesn't hold true. It doesn't hold true for it if you just use like 1 or something like that, because it is not 1 1. It's actually manipulating that. For example, if this was, I don't know, 5 6, I don't know, I don't care, 5 6 for example, then it will not be good, you know. Hence that is why we use I. Okay, so now you have check. Now again, simple, an if statement to check if the grid at this point in time contains any bacteria. So bacteria, and then the conditions. Now for the conditions, we are going to have, where is it, for the conditions, we're going to have, first of all, we check if it is a bacteria. If it is not a bacteria, then we say, what do we say? We say, okay, you have two conditions. Either you're 0 to 2, you die, or you have greater than 4. Greater than 4, you die also because of dying of overpopulation. While if you are this applies for both. So if you equal to 3, if the surrounding bacteria is equal to 3, you leave. Now for this one, the non-contaminated area, if you have 0 to 2, again you die, similar to here. If you have greater than 4, you die. I mean, you don't do anything. No, yeah, you die of a population. So if you have greater than 4, you die. And then if you are equal to 3, you live. You get created, in fact. By the way, this is the surrounding. You get created. Now, you have all of this. Now, let's separate these two. We say, if the grid of I itself, and then J, so basically we're saying this point, not this one, because this has already changed. Not really. You know what I'm saying? No, wait, let me understand this myself. Again, because I and J changes, we can't use small I and J here, so we need to use the actual thing, because we are now not using this counting. This was always for counting. This is for counting purposes, for counting the surrounding bacteria, while this is for the manipulation purpose. So you manipulate the actual thing here. So you say if is equal to bacteria, then you have these conditions which go here. Now you have an else case, because remember our fucking thing is something like petri dish is new. So the new petri dish is composed of x values. If I run this again, you will see so if I run this again, you're going to see that everything is composed of x values. If we do not include this line here, wait a second, clear. If we do not include this fucking shitty line here, these lines, we are going to see that it stays x. So we need to change it. Now, else if, why does this not work and this work? Note, using elif, so wait, really? Wait, just wait a second. Yank this, place this over here, delete this. Using elif is not good, because that cell might contain the character x. That's it. That's the only fucking thing. Whoa, I got a view. That was not me, by the way. So I didn't check if it is working or not. So this is the thing, the thing. So hence you do the thing, you do the conditions, and then you also state here else, and then to remove the x. Now you say else here in the outside if. Why? Again, because we might contain an x, and then you do the same thing, and then you change the yeah, I get it now. So undo x. So lgac, I finally understood it. Now I just need to make a way for the user to enter generations, and just like boom 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 keeps on generating. So I'm gonna do something like rm test.py ls. So cat main.py to t.py ls nvt.py, and then we have the same thing here. People who don't use the command line, people who don't use the fucking command line, wait, people who use, like, for example, if I use Thuno, I would have to basically do control C. Oh, is it faster? I don't know if it's faster. I don't know if it's faster though. So people will just have to do control C, control V, and then you say, no, it's not faster, because I will have to do control C, control V, and if I want to rename it t.py, because I don't want to write python main brackets 1 close brackets dot py when I run it, so they have to like do F2 or right click, so move the mouse. This is faster. So cat, this is obviously faster. Now I want to know, does this work? Get dash content main.py into t.py. And I will try this on Windows, and I'm going to see if it works. Yeah. So we have this ls clear. Okay, so nvt.py. Okay, so now I'm gonna say this. Okay, so this can be done. This I'm gonna create a function. So function create a function to run the thing slash simulation. So now def run underscore sim. So I don't think we need to pass any arguments, and just this, and I'm just gonna copy paste everything. So wait, control R, control R, control R. So I'm just gonna copy paste everything. So run the thing. Now I'm gonna pass in the user underscore generations of integer, and then yeah, so this I'm gonna pass, and then the create dish control up, control up, control up, control X, and then control P, control down, control down, control down, control this goes here. So now I can just say something like call the function to run the simulation, and then run underscore sim user generation user underscore gens, and then 0. Okay, user underscore gens, and then for example we're creating the dish. So we created the dish. This is fine. We have displayed the specific dish. We have populated. This is also fine. We have created this, and then we have created. Now this part I need to manipulate. Basically, I'm gonna create another one. So I'm gonna create a function to basically call 2 run sim underscore 2. Then at this point in time, I need to do for I in a range of user generations, check manipulations, and then the updated array. Let's try this. I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's try this, I guess. So I'm gonna try this outside of Neovim. I want to see. Clear Python. No. nvt.py, and then so user simgens score 2 clear. python t.py 5. Nah, just it's only, why does it not work? I think I know. Something has to do with memory, I think. Because this is not getting updated. No, it does update. Because it did update. Did it update the thing? If I do something like python t.py and the 5, for example. So from this point it generated initially. It did not update the thing. The display is having a problem. I think it's updating it because the display is having a problem. So clear python t.py, control C, nv t.py. So control G, control up. Now, so the display, we need to display, let's display it also here. Place this over here and then to this. Okay, let's display it over here. So print for loop here. For loop here. Let's I'm just checking, you know, I'm just having fun also. I had fun today. So the for loop is going to start here. Oh, well, that's not good. Updated petri dish. Okay, I mean, I get it. Yes, why it's not working? Yeah, no, but why does it not change anything? I needed like a recursion thing. I don't know I mean, I know a bit of recursion, but I need like a, I don't know how to implement that in this one. This is complicated. My code is complicated for nothing, you know. Yeah, I need to make it optimized, a more optimized version of this code. So wait a second. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT if I don't know, because I can't stay not knowing. I need to know why that's the problem. So we know that this won't do anything. For I in range of this, you insert the petri dish, you insert the updated array. How is our petri dish looking when we, so updated petri dish, this is the population of the petri dish. This is, oh no, it did change. Look, this is here, this is not here. It did change, but it's not changing. So my thing is working a bit, but it's going into the for loop obviously. But why not and we mean why not fucking, oh, nv t.py. Space yang this chat.openai.com. Yes. Check function, check I need to run the check and manipulate. What is it? Check underscore manipulate, check underscore manipulate underscore bacteria several times depending on the user input, but write right oh shit, right now it's not updating once it goes into the for loop. Before I checked this code, I have a fucking shitty idea. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I can try. I can try a thing. I can try. So if I do something like that, and then I paste this over here again, and then if I do this, and if I do this, now if I do updated, undo, shadow updated petri dish into updated petri dish. This is might be cursed. This might not work, but all we can do is try. So we have our initial petri dish. We're gonna populate the petri dish. We're gonna say initial updated petri dish. Updated petri dish is going to be here. Did it change things? Okay, let's look at this three below. 1, 2, 3. I think it's changed. Yeah, it changed the thing because this changes, and then this changes, and then it doesn't change. So we need like a recursion thing. For petri dish create list, display yes, print this, and then this, and then this. Okay, display the population of the petri dish. Call the function to create the whole final. Yeah. Run the simulation to use a define. Yeah. Call the function. Yes. And then display the specific dish and copy the updated dish back. Oh, I see. I see. That's the thing. Instead of using updated petri dish, so just use this. Okay, so wait, I can do something right now. I can try to do something. Python, so nvt.py, and then I'm gonna say instead of that shitty bitch here, and okay. So instead of this, I'm gonna say for I in range of length of -1, length of petri. Okay, length of petri dish, length of petri. It's not gonna be petri dish. Let's try. For j in range of petri dish of 1 of I. Oh, I see. Oh, of petri dish. I don't know. I don't understand. So change the values. Yeah, change the values. So petri dish of I, and then j becomes the updated petri dish. Yeah, updated petri dish of I, and is equal to j. Let's run this bitch. Python t.py 5. It did change. Yeah, it did change from here. So let's see a change. Okay, this changes. So this changes here. And then did this change? Okay, it changed again. It stayed the same. Let's see this 3. Okay, I see change at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see changes over here. I will make another stream later. I think I will play some games, and I'm gonna. I don't have. I can't play games. I can't stream games now because I'm on Windows. I mean, I could stream games and then go back to Linux, but I'm not gonna play because I play only for like. Okay, 1 hour maximum. So in total, I can play. I used to play like 8 hours a day. Now I'm playing like, so 30 minutes, 30 minutes. What? 30 minutes. 1 hour. Let it be 1 hour, and like about 2 hours now. And that too, if BattleBit servers are shit, or there's zero people, I don't play. I just go back to doing like something like Linux programming, Linux dotfiles programming or something like that. But I will surely make a live stream today also talking about the dotfiles configuration, because I really need to start the dotfiles configuration now. I hope I could make the stream because I'm thinking about talking to a friend. We're gonna work together later. So yeah, I hope that I will be able to stream later on. To GitHub repo Obsidian. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to turn it on. Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna peace out for now.